Hey guys, welcome back. This video is going to be pretty short, but apparently, yes, you heard the title correct. One of my loyal subscribers, a person I've actually never met in person, has sent me, one of my best friends too, has sent me a mystery package in the mail. I've been waiting 2 months from this. Talking to him back and forth on Discord, he said that he sent it, apparently forgot to label the address and stuff, and it got sent back to his home. He is currently in college, so he's far away from home, but sent back to his home, and then he had to pay shipping and stuff, and then sent it 2 months later, finally shipped it here to me. And we are doing an unboxing. We are going to see what he got me. I've been waiting 2 long months for this package, so I can't wait to dive right in. Thank you for this package, NASP. It means the world. In case you guys have not been with us for like 3 years. This channel has been going on for 3 years. NASP was one of our lucky winners for the Lego set giveaway. The Lego set I actually got myself. I actually got 2 of the same sets. One Christmas, one from my parents, and I think one from my grandparents. And I gave the one from my grandparents away to him. He was a lucky winner. That was 3 years ago, but that was a lucky winner. So here's a little clip from that.
But yes, this is the giveaway. The winner will be announced in this live stream, and I will get with mailing the brand new box, to you guys. Once the winner has been announced, I'll sign it and write something cool on the box, and I'll go right to you. For anybody who already know, my name's actually Simon. Here's my name. This is the set. It's a free set. I already have this set here, and this is an unopened, brand new box, and everything. Once whoever wins it will have their name. Well, actually, I'll write my name and then a note on it, and it will be shipped hopefully this week, and we'll get to you guys. Okay, so JB and EJ, you ready? This is it. Legit. I am doing it now. The winner is... Dude, it's NASP. Okay, man, he's not here, but I'll definitely let him know.
Yep, that was him. We hit it off right then and there. Best friends. We started talking frequently on Discord and got to know him very well. He does vlogs over on his channel, so definitely subscribe to his channel. He travels the world, went to Egypt, lucky bastard. He went to Egypt, he went to London, he was gone all over, and it's from him that I started doing my vlogs, to be honest. So definitely check out his channel. And he's a really good friend. He's traveled the whole world and everything, but he's not come to the state yet, so which is kind of, disappointing. Anyways, and he is one of my, I would say, very, very close friends, very best friend, but I have not yet met him in person. There was a bet going on, because he's all the way out west, and I'm all the way into the east. It's like, hey, if one of us can, get to the house first, like if I get to his place first, I win. If he gets to me first, he wins. Some type of a bet. We're gonna make it like halfway or something. But yeah, he's all the way out west. He's in another time zone, so I have not met him in person yet. But I happen to follow up on his channel. His channel, OG channel, is called Not a Scam Productions. So it's like, oh, it's kind of a sussy name, but from there on, I just called him NASP. Actually, it was even laid out in his OG tag. So anyways, thank you, NASP. That's long story short there. Thank you, NASP. Let's get into this package. He sent me a picture of the package, and apparently, like I said earlier, he forgot to tag it. He forgot to stamp it, and then I think he forgot to pay for it, so it shipped back to his place, to his home, because he's in college. And finally he's on spring break, and it finally got sent to me 2 days later. So thank you, dude. Let's see what we got. Sounds like a little puzzle thing. I don't know. But I guess in a way this is more of a thank you for like a late Christmas present. Think of it like that. So got scissors here. I don't want to end up cutting something if I don't need to. So, I guess I'll just cut off the top here, and then I hope I'm not. If it's like a card or something, I don't want to end up ripping a card. I'll just cut like just a corner off. See what we got here. So again, this is him. Very nice handwriting. Yeah, there's something inside, man. Oh, what's this? Okay, it was a bit of a workout, but I finally got it. It's opened. So we got ourselves a little note from him. Oh, nice! I love it already, man. Okay, we're gonna get to that in a second. Okay, let's see. Hopefully we meet soon. Oh man, yeah, exactly. That's what it says on here. Okay, so I guess. Oh yeah, he's also he also speaks in different tongues. I guess he can speak Spanish just fine. I think he can speak French, and I think he can speak other different languages. So he's I don't know the word for multiple languages. Hang on, multilingual. If I spelled that refers to a person or a community that speaks multiple languages. So it's multilingual. So he can speak Spanish, he can speak Portuguese. I only took 3 years of Spanish for me, and I know lickety squat. So, anyways, yeah, he's speaking in Spanish here. Twist l'amor de mave. I don't know. Yeah, he's got this. He even drew Ash. That's my goat. Dude, that's adorable, man. That's adorable. Look at that. Ah! Just tape it up to my wall. No, seriously. Holy cow, dude. That's how much he wrote. Woo. I tried drawing a goat for Ash, thinking Ash might like it, but it looks so goofy. Hey, dude, you know what? Stay tuned at the end. I'll show this to Ash. See if he approves. Ash the goat. Yes. Oh, wow, man. Okay, well, let's get to it. Man, dude, your handwriting is nice, man. Yes, yep, that's my name. Okay, let's read it. So, his name is Alex, NASP. Since print is more legible, yes, because I have a really hard time reading cursive. Since print is more legible than my cursive penmanship, here you are. Forgive me for not sending this gift sooner. Travel, video games, and food got the best of me, but that doesn't mean I forget about you, Ash, Cinder, or your family. I hope you like this gift. I got this in Mexico. So yeah, like I said in his previous vlog, he travels around the world, and apparently he got me a gift in Mexico. Oh man, I cannot wait to see what that is. Good willing, it reminds you of Ocean City as well. It excites me for your future trip down to Florida. Yeah, again, we are hoping for a future trip down in Florida. Yeah, so Ocean City was my past big vlog. It was like a 4-day vlog. It was a big one, but this one here is going to be this next one. I believe if everything goes well, I hope it's going to be Florida, and I just hope it's going to be fantastic, which I know it will be. Trust me, it's really nice down there, and if it's not for the beaches, then make the most of your time in the parks. I look forward to meeting you guys one day. Merry Christmas, much love, yours truly, NASP, Silvernoir, Alexander. Yeah, dude, that is awesome, man. Finally, you know, at the end, I'll give this to my brother and let him check it out. See if Ash approves this, so stay tuned to the end. Okay, so as much as I love that letter, let's see what you got. Ooh. So, just like in the note, it said that he got it from Mexico. There's nothing else left in that, so toss that out. He got this in Mexico on one of his trips. And he even vlogged it too, so we can check his channel. Ooh, nice. That's like a little bookmark. That's cool. Or like a little passage. You can use it as a bookmark, thanks, but it is a little prayer. It is, promises great graces through his image, and so it's more like a track. But I can use it as a bookmark. Thanks, man. Thanks. That's a cool keychain. It's like a green little piggy. Oh, it's so cute. It's a nice, cute eyes. I can't tell if it's battery operated or not. Maybe it lights up. Oh, there's batteries in it. Maybe it lights up. I don't know if you gotta hit it a couple times or... I don't know. I'll try to figure that out, man, but thanks. We got ourselves a keychain. Dude, that is sick. Dude, you didn't have to, man. It's got a dolphin on it and everything. Bro, that's awesome. I'm gonna use that keychain. It's got a dolphin there. I'll open that up in a second, man. What is this? Oh, it's like a little portrait. Ah! It's like a... I don't know. It's like a little... pin. I guess it's a pin. It's so tiny. Oh, it's so tiny. It's supposed to be Mary, Joseph, and the Star of Bethlehem. That's sick, man. That is sick. Okay, well, I'm going to be setting that there. I'm going to probably move that. I'll probably use this for a bookmark, but thanks for the track, man. I'll read it when I have a chance. In case people don't know, I'm also a Christian, too. So, that's a little something about me. So, thank you for that. I am actually a yeah, I guess I'm a Baptist. He is more of a, yeah, I can't think of the name, but he is more of that side. But Catholic, yes, that's it. Thanks. He's more of a Catholic. I'm more of a Baptist. But yeah, we all get the same gist. So, but yeah, this definitely reminds me of Ocean City, dude. Pop it open here. You didn't have to, man. You didn't have to. Oh my goodness, it comes with its own little sand. Look at that. It's a cute little dolphin. Oh my goodness, man. And there's like a little tag right here that says something. San Blas. San Blas? I'll have to look that up. I think that's like a town or a city in Mexico. But man, thanks for thinking of me on your last trip, dude. You got little sand particles. Dude, that, kid you not, this seriously reminds me of Ocean City, man. I don't know, there's something, I kind of wish I got you something at Ocean City. Tell you what, I'll grab you a couple of souvenirs on the Florida trip. On the Florida, for real, man. I'll grab you a couple small things and I'll send it your way. For real. But, man, dude, you did not have to, but thanks. I'm going to use that. I am going to use that very soon. But yeah, that is it. I know it's a couple items. I'm still trying to figure out the pig thing. It's like another keychain, but I think it's like a light or something. I can see that there's a couple batteries inside, so. Finbow. I wonder if Finbow means. And again, got that little picture right there. So I'll probably set that over there. So, anyways, looks like some of the sand came out or something. I don't know. That's cool. That's cool. But yeah, and I also get a free box too. Got a little box. Got a little boxy. So that's cool. That's cool. Let's go check to see if Ash approves this letter, and we'll have Thomas read it. My brother. Let's see, do you approve the goat image? He's probably gonna end up eating the paper. Do you approve it? Yeah. Yeah, we'll say you approved it, okay? We'll say you approved it. Alright, letter. Go.
Yeah, but it's got horns. Ash doesn't have horns.
Yeah. Oh, so he's criticizing NASP. He's criticizing.
Sorry. It's a good goat drawing. It's just that Ash doesn't have horns.
Well, he approved it. He approved it. So one of the gifts. It's like a little track thing, Catholic.
Ooh, it's a Catholic track. I don't.
Yeah, it's.
I mean, I really thought that was just normal. I mean, I guess that most.
Pig keychain, which I'm still trying to figure. I think it lights up or something. There's batteries inside.
Yeah, you just press it.
Oh, look at that. He's the one that figures it out. The little portrait here.
Oh, the nativity.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. It's like a little.
That's neat.
It's like a little thing for that, and then the keychain that reminds us of Ocean City.
Cool.
What? That's it.
I would like to read the track though.
Yeah, go ahead. You can read the track. Anyways, that is it, dude. Again, thank you so much for everyone who watched, and NASP, you got yourself a couple of gifts coming your way. Again, and yeah, we're gonna go when we go on the Florida trip. You're gonna get a couple things. I'm gonna find a couple things down there and then send them to you. Small light things, you know, something similar to that. But yeah, Florida style. Let's go. Anyways, thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Stay tuned for that Florida vlog, which hopefully will be in June, July, but we're still trying to debate. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode. This video that's been like 2 months in the making. My goodness. Supposed to be, it was supposed to come like 2 months ago. It was supposed to come during Christmas, but I finally got it. Thank you so much for sending it, and look forward to your packages soon, dude. I got your address. See ya.